Hello friends, good morning. Myself Hina Desai from Aswamik Vidyalaya. Today we learn English subject standard 11th Hornbill books. The chapter number 5, The Ailing Planets, The Green Moments Road. We see in last lecture that our Earth is a living planet. We added our Earth as a living creatures. Okay, now here we go. Scientists have catalogued about 1.4 million living species with which mankind shares the Earth. Scientists say that we all human beings share our Earth with 1.4 million living creatures. Estimates vary widely as regard the still uncatalogued living species. Uncatalogued, scientists also say that widely regards uncatalogued living species also there. Biologists reckon that about 3 to 100 million other living species still languish unnamed in ignominious darkness. Languish means left to suffer, जिसका कोई पता ही नहीं है, खुद का कोई वजूद ही नहीं है. Unnamed in ignominious darkness मीन्स उसका जो पब्लिक है उसको पब्लिक की वजह वो डिक्रीज हो रही है, एम्ब्रेसमेंट हो रहा है, उसका कोई पता ही नहीं है. सो जो अर्थ है हम उस 1.4 मिलियंस लिविंग क्रिएचर्स के साथ उसको शेयर कर रहे हैं अर्थ को. और ऐसे और साइंटिस्ट से दैट अनदर 3 to 100 मिलियंस लिविंग क्रिएचर्स उसका कोई नेम ही नहीं, उसका कोई पता ही नहीं है, कोई एग्जिस्टेंस ही नहीं है. सो जस्ट इमेजिन if you are unknown in this world and no one know you, nobody know about your existence, what kind of existence is that where you are languish ignominious. Next paragraph. One of the early international commissions which dealt inter alia with the question of ecology and environment was the Brand Commission, which had a distinguished Indian as one of its members, Mr. L.K. Jha. One of the earlier international commission dealt inter alia means among other countries, that international commission Brand and the Indian member was there and his name was Mr. L.K. Jha. At that time one question arose. What was the question? The first Brand report raised the question, are we to leave our successors a scorched planet of advising deserts, impoverished landscape and allying environment? Successors mean our next generation. What kind of earth we give our generation? That scorched planet of advising desert means कि पूरी तरह से अर्थ पे डेजर्ट ही है, रेत ही रेत. Impoverished landscape means there is no landscape are empty, there is no tree, no hill, no water and all, only empty land. And allying environment or not a healthy environment. Okay, so when this commission, at that time one question arises that which kind of अर्थ वी गिव अवर जनरेशन, कि हम जो बेडली अर्थ का यूज कर रहे हैं तो सारी अर्थ ऐसे ही उसकी हेल्थ बिगड़ी हुई है और वो पूरी तरह से खराब हो जाए, कि हम जो उसका यूज करना कंट्रोल में नहीं करेंगे तो वो पूरी तरह से डिजर्ट, इम्प्रोविज्ड लैंडस्केप और अलाइंग एनवायरनमेंट हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, मिस्टर लिस्टर आर बाउन in his thoughtful book, The Global Economic Prospect, points out that the Earth's principal biological system are four. Mr. Letters R. Brown wrote in his thoughtful book that in the global economical process point out that Earth has four principles: fisheries, forest, grassland and croplands. Our earth divided in four parts. One, fisheries means fishing and all. Forest means trees, plants and all, hills. Grassland means big landscape, green grassland all, and croplands means we grow crops and all, and they form the foundation of the global economic system. And these four types of earth founded a global economic system. In additional, why we say that economic system? By fishery, forest, grassland and cropland, it helped to our economical system. In addition to supplying our food, these four systems provide virtually all the raw materials for industry except minerals and petroleum derived synthetic. These four systems, which four systems? This fisheries, forest, grassland and cropland. These four systems provide virtually all the raw materials for industry except minerals and protein. In large area of the world, human claims on these systems are reaching an unsustainable level, a point where their productivity is being impaired. In large area of the world, in whole world, human claim on this system. Human being claim this system, this four system, fisheries, forest, grassland and cropland. They blame that they're reaching an unsustainable level, a point where their productivity is being impaired. When this happens, fisheries collapse, forests disappear, grasslands are converted into barren wasteland and cropland deteriorate. Okay, so there's this human being use very badly, so use बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करने पर जो फिशरीज है, ह्यूमन बीइंग थॉट दैट if we eat more fish we get more protein and calcium and mineral and all, so human being catch more fishes, so fish decreasing, so fisheries collapse, forests disappear. In forest we cut the trees and that trees use we burning fire and all, so forest disappears. Grassland are converted into barren wasteland and जो grassland है वो पूरी तरह से wasteland में हो गई है कि उसमें कुछ उसकी फर्टिलिटी है वो खत्म हो चुकी है, उसमें कुछ नहीं उगाया जा सकता. एंड cropland डिस्ट्रॉय, एंड जो क्रॉप है वो भी डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुकी है, क्रॉपलैंड भी. इन अ प्रोटीन कॉन्शियस in a protein conscious and protein hungry world, overfishing is common every day. Here our author says that in a protein conscious and protein hungry world, जो हम लोग मानते हैं कि वो प्रोटीन ज्यादा लेने की वजह से ओवरफिशिंग, जो फिशिंग ज्यादा करने के, फिश ज्यादा कैच करने से जो फिशरी है वो कोलैप्स हो गई है. ओवरफिशिंग इज कॉमन एवरी डे. इन पुअर कंट्रीज लोकल फॉरेस्ट आर बीइंग डेसिमेटेड in order to procure firewood or cooking. In poor countries, local forests, so poor country, local forests are being decimated in order to procure firewood or for cooking. In some places, firewood has become so expensive that what goes under the pot now costs more than what goes inside it. Since the tropical forest is, in the words of Dr. Myers, the powerhouse of evolution, several species of life face extinctions as a result of its destruction. Means in forest we cut the trees and we use the trees for burning fire and food. So several creature lives became existence, and we cannot found some creatures in forest. Next paragraph. It has been well said that forests precede mankind, deserts follow. It has been well said that forests precede mankind, deserts follow. The world's ancient patrimony of tropical forest is now eroding at the rate of 40 to 50 million areas a year. Here our author says that for 40 to 50 million areas जो हमारा जो फॉरेस्ट है वो नाउअडेज वो डिक्रीज होते जा रहे हैं अभी, और वो 40 to 50 मिलियंस एरिया में जो यार 40 to 50 मिलियंस जो एरिया है उसमें जो फॉरेस्ट है वो डिक्रीज हो गए हैं. एंड ग्रोविंग यूज ऑफ डंग फॉर बर्निंग डिप्राइव्स the soil of an important natural fertilizers. And जो forest है, we use wood for burning, and nowadays we also use the dung. We cut a dung and use for burn. So soil became infertility. The World Bank estimates that the five-fold increase in the rate of forest planting is needed to cope with the expected fuel wood demand in the year 2000. Okay, the author says that this article written in 1994. And so author describe future 2000. Okay, So here our author says that the World Bank estimates that five-fold increasing in the rate of forest planting in need to crop with the expected fuel wood demand in year 2000 कि ईयर 2000 में तो उसकी डिमांड ज्यादा हो गई है, तो फॉरेस्ट है वो डिक्रीज हो गए, ज्यादा कट हो चुके हैं। जेम्स पेट the president of the World Resources Institute, said the other day, we were saying that we are losing the forest at an acre a second, but it is much closer to an acre and a half to a second. James Pett, the president of the World Resources Institute, that he said that we were saying that we are losing the forest an acre a second. हम पर सेकंड 1 acre फॉरेस्ट डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं, बट इट इज मच क्लोजर टू एन acre and a half to a second. 1 second में 1 acre एरिया हम डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं, बट हाफ सेकंड में 1 acre एरिया जो फॉरेस्ट है उसको हम डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं, कट कर रहे हैं. दैट James Page, the president of World Resources Institute, said it. Article 48A of the Constitution of India provides that the state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. जो आर्टिकल 48A of our Constitution of India provide the state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment, to safeguard the forest and wildlife of our country. But what chaos endless anguish is the fact that law are never respected nor enforced in India. हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट में आर्टिकल 48 लाकर एक रूल्स बनाया गया कि हम जो एनवायरमेंट है, जो फॉरेस्ट है, वाइल्ड लाइफ है इन अवर कंट्री, हम उसकी रक्षा करेंगे. बट व्हाट केओस एंडलेस एंग्यूज इज द फैक्ट दैट लॉज आर नेवर रिस्पेक्टेड नॉर एनफोर्स इन इंडिया. जो लॉ बनाया गया उसका हम इंडिया में रिस्पेक्ट नहीं हुआ. फॉर दैट what happened? For instance, the constitution said that casteism, untouchability and bonded labor shall be abolished, but they flourished shamelessly even after 44 years of the operation of the constitution. Casteism, nowadays also we say that casteism, untouchability and bounded labor cells, that all kind of shamelessly we can, nowadays also we say all the things, this casteism, untouchability and all. 44 years of the operation of the constitution. जो ये जो आर्टिकल 48 ये जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो हुआ था कि जो कास्टाइज्म है, अनटचेबिलिटी है और बाउंडेड लेबर शेल, वो सब कब 44 इयर्स पहले था जब ये आर्टिकल की बात हुई थी तब. लेकिन नाउअडेज अब भी हम ये कास्टाइज्म और अनटचेबिलिटी वो हम आज भी देख सकते हैं कि कितना वो है. A recent respect of our Parliament's estimate committees has highlighted the near catastrophic depletion of India's forest over the last 4 decades. Decade means 10 year. Here 4 decades mean 40 years, means 40 years. In India, according to reliable data, is losing its forest at the rate of 3.7 million acres a year. The collecting data, author says that 3.7 million acres area of forest in 1 year we lose. Large area officially designated as a forest land as already virtually treeless. The actual loss of forest is estimated to be about 8 times the rate indicated by government's statistic. Here we have 3.7 million acres area we lose our forest, but the real estimate of that government says that, but the real estimate is 8 times. गवर्नमेंट जो गवर्नमेंट हमें जो नंबर्स दे रही है उससे 8 टाइम ज्यादा जो फॉरेस्ट है वो हम लूज कर रहे हैं. हियर वी स्टॉप एंड वी कैन से रिमेनिंग लेसन इन नेक्स्ट पीरियड, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर.